How to record Instagram Reels without hands. Now let's say you want to record your Instagram Reels or capture the moment, but your phone is far away or you can't really have your hands keep on holding to your phone. So in order for you to record your Instagram Reels without hands, all you have to do is to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. Tap on your camera right here. And if you want to record your Instagram Reels without hands, all you have to do is to tap on this clock button right here, and it will give you a countdown for you to prepare yourself. It will also give you a duration on how long you want your video to be. You can have it until 1 second or 2 seconds, or you can have it until 15 seconds. Once you're done setting up, all you have to do is to tap on set timer right here and click on the shutter button. Now you can just video without worries. Once you're done and the time is up, you just have to click on this button right here and hit on next. Once you're done editing, all you have to do is to hit on next again and share this reel to your feed. So that's how to record Instagram Reels without hands. Hope we help.